Looking out for sunshine.
Wonderful Indonesia, known for its beautiful islands and questionable music taste. Hot and humid, just like most of their dishes, just the way I dig it. Lots of rainfall and temperatures varying around 30 degrees Celsius with lower temperatures in the mountainous regions. It's got two seasons, the warm season and the warmer season, also known as the dry season from April to October, and the monsoon season from November to March. This makes traveling around the islands a little more complicated, considering you are dependent on traveling by air or sea. Due to its unique geography and its 17,000 islands people want to travel to, airlines have been forced to meet a demand, although has always struggled keeping up with it. With a master's degree in looking out and pointing fingers, we try to avoid severe weather when possible. According to data from the Aviation Safety Network, Indonesia has had 104 civilian airline accidents with over 1,300 related fatalities since 1945. These taken from a news website, ranking it as the most dangerous place to fly in Asia. According to AP, Indonesia's aviation record is one of the worst in Asia, with more accidents than any other country in the region. In 2007, all Indonesian carriers were placed on the EU Air Safety List, blacklisted for not following the EU's international safety standards, which was lifted in 2018. 697 fatalities in the last decade alone, including military and private jets, making it the deadliest aviation market in the world, according to the Aviation Safety Network's database. Several of these incidents linked to safety issues in the past, including training and maintenance, to name a few. Weather, however, in Indonesia has been called a contributing factor in 58% of accidents in Indonesia, compared to 8% in the US and a global average of 21 to 26%. Home to one of Earth's biggest archipelagos, has one of the highest incidents of thunderstorms and lightning strikes anywhere. Its stormy tropical monsoon heavy rain, troublesome cloud conditions wreak havoc for flights. India Times. Needless to say, with a population of over 200 million people spread out over 5,120 kilometers from east to west, a growing aviation industry in the last decade due to faster and more comfortable travel, Indonesia is widely regarded as an emerging market of air in the region. Bad weather, haze problems due to fires and volcanic ashes do affect aviation safety. Therefore, training prepares us for any type of day, and as I call it, looking out for sunshine.